Welcome to the Linde Certified Used Truck shop, where you can purchase a range of certified equipment quickly and easily from your computer or smart device. All our equipment goes through a comprehensive inspection and refurbishment process, with durable Linde original spare parts and repainting before receiving the Linde Certified Truck Seal of Quality, a Lola certificate, and market-leading warranty. Find us through your web browser and search our product categories and extensive range available. You can make a purchase directly through the website. Once you've found the product you need, add it to your basket and go straight to checkout. Check out as a guest or register with the Linde shop to make future orders even easier. Registering also lets you order against your existing Linde customer account, if you have one. More details can be found in our accompanying checkout guide. We also offer a wide range of flexible payment methods. Once your order is placed, we'll prepare your products and organise dispatch as soon as we can, with free delivery on all UK orders. At Linde Material Handling, we've earned a reputation for outstanding product quality and service. Purchasing from the Linde Certified Used Truck shop, you can rest assured that our products are refurbished to market-leading standards and that knowledgeable professional support is on hand. If you need any advice finding or identifying the best product for your needs, or if you have any questions about your order, we're here to support you. Simply contact us on the Linde shop, via our online query form, email or telephone.